Alright, y'all, we added a turbo onto the engine, and this thing looks good. Just a regular 6-to-1 exhaust manifold going to that little tiny turbo right there. But the thing is, it will be kind of hard to hear that because this thing does make a lot of noise, like all the moving parts on here. So yeah, this thing is gonna make a lot of noise, but I'm gonna try my best to maybe try to get the sound of it. Yo, this thing looks good. The turbo's small. Here we go. Here's the first run. You can see it spinning. I don't know if you can hear it or not. This thing looks crazy, man. Can't believe I made this. See, look, it was still spinning. Well, I don't know if y'all could hear the turbo. I don't know if it was really making noise. But I'm going to try to put some more air through this thing. And let's see if we can... Hopefully we don't blow it up, because this is too nice right now. This looks complete. But I'm going to try to put some more air through it just to see if we can get more pressure to it. If we don't get more pressure to it, we're going to have to seal the exhaust up and see if that makes a difference. Pretty sure that'll help. Alright, we got it set to a higher pressure. So let's see if it makes a difference. See if we can hear the turbo.